Can you use mobile banking without an internet connection? Imagine you're out and about, and suddenly your phone loses internet. Can you still manage your money? That's what we're here to find out. Mobile banking is all about using your phone to handle your bank accounts, check balances, send money, and pay bills. But what happens when the internet isn't available? Do you have options? Most mobile banking apps need an internet connection to work fully. That means you usually need Wi-Fi or mobile data to do things like check your account balance, transfer money, or pay bills. Without the internet, you can't perform these actions on most banking apps. But some banks and financial technology companies have added a few features that work offline. These are limited but can be very helpful in certain situations. For example, some banks let you see your account balance and recent transactions even when you're offline. This is useful if you want to check how much money you have or review your spending. However, you can't make new payments or transfer money until you're back online. A few banks also offer an offline mode for payments. You can set up a payment while offline, and the app will save it until your device reconnects to the internet. When you're back online, the payment is sent and processed automatically. This is handy if you're in an area with poor signal or if the bank's servers are temporarily down. There are also digital wallets that store a small amount of money on your phone. These wallets can be used to make small payments without an internet connection. When you make a payment, the money is deducted from your stored balance, and the transaction gets recorded once you're online again. Think of it like using cash, but in a digital form. Offline banking features are especially useful for people who travel often or live in areas with unreliable internet. They also help during emergencies or technical issues, making banking more flexible. For teens, this means you can check your balance or make small payments even if your phone loses connection. To make the most of these features, always check with your bank to see what offline options are available. If you plan to use offline payments, ensure your app is updated and your stored balance is enough for your needs. Keep in mind that most offline actions, like setting up a payment, will only be completed once your device is back online. In summary, you can't do everything with mobile banking without an internet connection, but some banks do offer limited offline features. These let you check your balance, view recent transactions, and sometimes set up payments that will be processed later. So, even when you're offline, you still have some control over your money.